Let's have a real conversation. Not the kind of conversation you have with a financial advisor who's trying to sell you a mutual fund, but the kind of talk you have with a friend who's seen people work their entire lives, only to end up with nothing but a gold watch and a lot of regret.
We need to talk about retirement, and specifically, why you're probably wasting the money that should be building it.
Most people treat retirement like a destination that's so far away, it feels imaginary. You think, I'll worry about that when I'm older, or I'll start saving once I get that next raise. But here's the cold, hard truth. The 2026 economy doesn't care about your later. With inflation being what it is and the cost of healthcare skyrocketing, later is going to be incredibly expensive. If you aren't budgeting for your retirement today, you aren't just wasting money, you're stealing from your future self.
So, let's stop the bleeding. Here are the 10 steps to finally get your budget in line with a retirement plan that actually works.
Step 1. Face the ghost money. Before you can save for the future, you have to find out where your money is dying right now. I call this ghost money. It's the $15 subscription for a service you haven't logged into in 6 months. It's the premium insurance you're overpaying for because you haven't shopped around in years. It's the lifestyle creep that makes you buy a slightly more expensive car every time you get a $2 an hour raise. Sit down with your bank statement. Every dollar that isn't providing a clear, tangible benefit to your life or your future needs to be redirected. That's your retirement seed money.
Step 2. Define your freedom number, not a retirement age. The old way of thinking was, I'll retire at 65. That's a trap. Age is a number. Financial independence is a math problem. You need to calculate your freedom number. How much do you actually need to live every year? Multiply that by 25. That's the rule of 4% target. Once you have a concrete number, your budget stops being a chore and starts being a mission. You aren't saving, you're buying back your freedom, 1 month at a time.
Step 3. The employer match is a non-negotiable salary. If your company offers a 401k match and you aren't contributing enough to get the full amount, you are literally giving your boss a discount on your salary. You're working for free. I don't care if you have to eat ramen for a month, you get that match. It is a 100% return on your investment immediately. No stock, no crypto, no real estate deal will ever give you a guaranteed 100% return on day one. Budget for the match first, everything else second. Step 4. Kill the high-interest debt monster. You cannot build a retirement fortress on a foundation of quicksand. If you're carrying credit card debt at 22% interest, any investment you make is getting neutralized. You're trying to run a race while dragging a literal anchor. Your budget for the next 6 months needs to be a search and destroy mission against high-interest debt. Every extra dollar goes to the debt with the highest interest rate. Once that's gone, the money you are paying in interest becomes your biggest wealth-building tool. Step 5. The Roth IRA magic strategy. Most people only know the 401k, but if you're in the middle class, the Roth IRA is your best friend. Why? Because you pay the tax now so you never have to pay it again. In 20 or 30 years, when taxes are likely much higher than they are now, you'll be able to pull that money out completely tax-free. Your budget should include a line item to max out Roth IRA. Even if you can only put in $50 a week, start. The compounding power of tax-free growth is the closest thing to magic in the financial world.
Step 6. Automate your discipline. Humans are terrible at being disciplined. We see a shiny new gadget, and suddenly the retirement fund feels less important. The secret to a successful retirement budget isn't willpower, it's automation. Set up your account so that your retirement contributions leave your paycheck before you even see the balance. If the money never hits your checking account, you won't miss it. You'll learn to live on what's left. That's how the wealthy do it. They pay themselves first and the bills second. Step 7. The health is wealth line item. This is one people always miss in a retirement budget. The biggest expense in retirement for most Americans is healthcare. If you're eating trash and not taking care of your body now, you're essentially creating a massive, unavoidable bill for yourself in 30 years. Budget for a gym membership. Budget for high-quality food. Budget for that annual checkup. Investing in your health today is a direct investment in your retirement portfolio's longevity.
Step 8. Inflation-proof your savings. Don't let your retirement funds sit in a standard savings account earning 0.01% interest. That's not a retirement plan. That's a slow-motion robbery by inflation. Your budget needs to move money into assets that grow. Low-cost index funds, ETFs, or even a high-yield savings account for your short-term emergency fund. You need your money to be active. If your money isn't growing faster than the price of milk, you're losing.
Step 9. Reevaluate your housing goals. The American dream says you need the biggest house you can afford. The retirement reality says that's a lie. A massive house means massive taxes, massive maintenance, and massive utility bills, all of which eat your ability to save. If you're house poor, you're sacrificing your golden years for an extra bedroom you probably don't use. Consider if your current housing budget is serving your ego or your future. Sometimes downsizing now means upgrading your life forever.
Step 10. The annual vulnerability check. Life happens. Markets crash. You might lose a job. Your retirement budget cannot be a set-it-and-forget-it thing. Once a year, you need to sit down and be brutally honest. Are you on track for your freedom number? Have you adjusted your contributions for inflation? If you had a bad year, don't beat yourself up. Just pivot. The only way you truly fail at retirement is if you stop looking at the numbers.
Listen, I know this feels like a lot. It's easier to just ignore it and hope Social Security will catch you. But let's be real. Hope is not a financial strategy. The middle class is being squeezed from every direction, and the only person who is truly looking out for future you is current you. Stop wasting money on things that don't matter to impress people you don't even like. Take these 10 steps, tighten the belt where it counts, and start building a life where you don't have to work until the day you die. You've worked too hard to end up with nothing. It's time to take control. Thanks for watching. If you're ready to stop the waste and start the build, leave a comment below with which step you're taking first. Let's get to work.